rug pad can definitely reduce floor noise as long as it's the right rug pad, meaning a solid and dense pad such as a felt rug pad. The felt rug pads are more resistant. They will resist any impact that goes down and touches the floor. Noise reduction rug pads are very effective for direct impact, meaning stepping or running on the floor, versus ambient noise such as music playing in a room. While it could prevent or reduce some of that ambient noise from traveling from floor to floor, it's not a soundproofing pad. It's a noise reduction pad which is related to direct impact on the floor. They should be at least 1/3 of an inch thick or thicker to be effective at reducing or preventing floor noise. The right felt rug pad, such as our ultra premium and superior pads, will definitely effectively reduce floor noise.